Ngibiyele Mbuleka sohlelo ndasikhona iKZN News Talk. Kamlapha edinqonga namhlanje sinenhlahla enkulu ukuthi sibe noSimphiwe Gumede okhona la intokazi yabamba iqhaza elikhulu kuwana KZN TV yenza uhlelo lesi HIV AIDS today. Simphiwe sibingelela sisi.
Ngiyabingelela nami ngibingelele nakubabukeli be1 KZN.
Uright what?
Ngiyaphinda.
Hayi ngiyakubona impela ngicabanga ukuthi usibonele sihle kubantu abaningi kwiprovince iSouth Africa nangaphandle ngempilo ephilayo nokubona ukuthi ku2017 ucebezela kanje.
Yebo.
Simphiwe now nje losusebenza ngakhona uya deputy chair kule civil society ekhona ku district 8. Tell us kubalengane ukuzazi ngestatus sakho.
Kubaluleke bab Edwin Ncango ukuzazi it's because you can make decisions ngempilo yakho proper. If you find ukuthi I'm positive, then you are able to say, okay, sengibe positive, what is it that I can change or do better to make my life longer? If you are negative, you strive to say, you know what, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi how do I stay negative? Let me use a condom. Let me stick to one partner. Let me abstain. So tester, you are making choices for yourself and to live a longer life and be productive for a much longer time. Yeah.
Tell me njengawo ungasho ukuthi kwakusiza ukuthi istatus sakho sazi njengoSimphiwe simaziyo sonke.
Yes, kwangisiza kakhulu because one I always say this. I got to know people who loved me for me and people who didn't initially like me for me. So it gave me a platform as well to do something that I'm very passionate about. It gave me a platform ukuthi accept for the person that I was, because reality is HIV only makes 2% of me. I'm 100%, there's still a 98% of me, a beautiful, intelligent woman. So it's up to another human being, it's up to another person to say, are you taking the 2% or the 98%? And Nami, it was the same thing when I tested to say, do I go around sobbing about the 2% or do I go positively and live life throughout my life with the 98%.
Now tell me, because it still happens namanje ukuthi ke uma khona abantu abayithola ukuthi usenaligciwane noma sokhona osokukhona kuyena ebese kuba nale ignorance ukuthi angafuni uku-accept. And the moment ekwenza lokho angabe sayithola medication ngendlela right ebese kuba worse. So ungakubeka ukuthini kulabo bantu ngoba uyabona ukuthi kusekhona abantu abangafuni uku-accepta and mengesikhathi engafuni le nto ayimile ngapha iyasebenza ngaphakathi. Ngale nkathi seqamba sethi esebona ukuthi nakho kubheda ebese uyasukuma kwabanye kusuke too late ukuthi khona okungenzeka. So kusiza lapho ukushesha uvele ngoba ngiyabona khona manje uzothola ukuthi usebonile ukuthi unalento but uquiet uthula kafuna abanye abantu bazi and njobe ethula nje iyagijima lento ngaphakathi yamuhle.
Okay. What I like is that uhulumeni wethu omuhle usiphe lapha as from the 1st of September test and treat what we call UTT.
Okay.
Akusadingekile ke manje ukuthi uzwazi viral load ukuthi ngakanani. Uyatesta nje, you get your counseling and then you start your treatment.
Okay.
And it's best to start your treatment as early as possible because then uyazi ukuthi viral load yakho it gets suppressed, your CD4 gets high. You are able to live a longer life. You are able to live a more productive life. Awulove emsebenzini akulove impizwa wena usengilovile sengiphethwe ikhanda. You are there for your family. You do all the things that oyiplanele wena ukuthi ngizenze ngempilo yami. So kubalekile ukuthi sisukumele impilo zethu nanokuthi asingateste phela iHIV kuphela. You know, siteste yonke into. Let's go to gym. See, I've lost weight. Let's go to gym and you know, do all the things as promoter health positive empilweni zethu.
Ngasho ukuthi seliyanda izinga labantu abaphumela obala. Status sabo so far umbuka compared to 10 years ago, 15 years ago.
Yes, liyanda izinga labantu and I'm very, very proud of abantu abaphumela obala. You know, liyanda kakhulu. So people are not as ignorant, you know, with the issues of HIV anymore. And accessing sabayo kangako and things like that.
When I Simphiwe kwakisiza mungasho ukuthi yazi ukuphumela kwamobala kwangisiza lana.
Caesar, because I'm not a very secretive person, hey, and it would have killed me to hide this, you know. One thing I always say is, amaphilisi amahlala noma ikuphi.
Okay.
The mere fact ukuthi kube I didn't speak about it.
Yeah.
You know, ngabe ukudlela amaphilisi
Uzama
ekhona,
ukufihla,
you know,
yeah.
ngikale mhlawumbe ngo generation kanje yabo senyanyamalala. So it helped me, and it's kind of me saying I'm breaking boundaries to say why abakashukela nabaka BP bekwazi ukukhuluma ngezifo zabo, and then we are quiet. I understand alone. So for me it helped me. It helped me motivate my longer living as well, my positive living, to say I will live long, because I suddenly saw abantu ababethi, we will support you. You know, we will go through this with you. If it's tough, we'll be there. And you know, it's been a joyride. I've been HIV positive for seven years.
Make it sasakubuza ke naloko ukuthi bani manje 7 years.
7 years.
Jobu njena nje.
Njengoba ngubeyonce wase South Africa.
7 years.
7 years.
And ngiyabuza ukuthi uzoqhubeka kanje, noma ungu7 noma u10 usazophila, yabona. Ngoba la ukuthi kune mindset mengibo fanele ishintshe and usamukele isimo and buswe udla treatment ngendlela right.
Yes. It was very imperative for me na ukuthi mindset yami ngishintshe. Empilweni baba Mncango, if you say ngizofa, that you are eventually digging a hole for yourself. Yes.
Yeah.
If you say I'm going to be poor, you're going to be poor. Okay. So whatever that we say, we are. And I always say I'm going to live, and I'm going to be successful, and I'm going. You know, I just live my life to the fullest. And like I said, HIV only makes 2% of me. I can't let 2% take away what it didn't bring. Yes, there's still a very Simphiwe, who's a mother, who's a sister, who's a friend, who's a colleague, you know, and things like that.
Sort of like understanding yakho kulo 7 years, Jane uhambana nalo sisi lo. Ngazisisi nombuti friend lo ungasho ukuthi ama ups and downs, the challenges ake akhona abantu ngadinga ukuthi bayaqaphela oze kwathi now along the way also ukwazi ukwa overcome, but usaqala ukuhamba naye uyabona ungapredictanga ukuthi ish kuzoba kanje, but now at least uyabona usiyakwazi uku overcome lezo zinto engaba ama challenges.
Challenges amaningi, it's stigma. You know, we still do face a whole lot of stigma. One of our topics that we will tackle, Kakula, is maybe, you know, dating while HIV positive. It's very difficult, especially if you're speaking up, you know, about HIV. It's very difficult because abantu will always attach stigma maybe to a partner, or a partner will say, I'm scared of. So it's up to you as a person to say, do I rise above the stigma or do I stay under the stigma? So it's really up to you.
Okay. Nokulungile Simphiwe Gumede la awesengase